Lonewolf Outdoors. SAKER has sent me another product to review and try out and give my opinion on it. It's a 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner. I'm in my camper right now. We just got back and I got some dirt and stuff in the floor. Come back from camping. Then I'm going to take it to my truck because it really needs it. You know, after you go out and fish and do stuff like that, you get dusty and dirt. So we're going to try this thing out and give us an opinion. Stay tuned. I'm going to unbox this and lay everything out. Okay. Looks like we got a bag here. What that is, that's some type of attachment. Look and see. I'm doing this one-handed. Yeah, there's an attachment. Here's your charging cord. There's different bristles, and this will be good for a keyboard. There's a longer one, longer nozzle. There's an even longer nozzle. There's a flat looking one. I believe this is a filter. Goes inside there. And here it is. See what it looks like in here. Looks like a hairdryer. Huh. I wonder if it's got any juice. Might have to charge it first. Here's your instructions. I'll look over them real quick and see what's going on. Alright. Just twist this off. The filter pops in and out like that. Pretty simple. You just take it out and clean it. I think it just sits down there like that. There it works. Huh. Cool. Let's try it out with some attachments. Alright, we got some dirt and stuff right here where I've been camping. I swept it, but you don't get everything. Just try this out. You push this button for about 3 seconds, it comes on. Then long one more time. Go high. Hold on your face for it. You just push it again, it turns it off. Hold on a second. So you can see some dirt, stuff like that. I missed with my big broom. Hair, whatever. Let's see if we can get it. Looks a lot better. That brush works good. Okay, I put a different attachment on here to get in between these cracks. Let's see how it works. That's rocks. Picking up rocks. It's going inside right there. It will pick up rocks. Ones that ain't stuck. These right here can just stop. It'll pick them up after it's in there. Get it out of here. You can see the dirt coming out. So it is strong enough to pick up small rocks and stuff. Whatever fit in that hole, I guess. I'm gonna try this little nozzle on this back seat. Down in that crack. This little attachment right here fits on the back side of this. It's like a blower. Let me test it out here. That's pretty cool. That works pretty good. This attachment right here, that's right. This goes on this side. You turn around, you can put this nozzle on here. That's what makes it blow. You can blow up like little kids' toys, like little pool balls and stuff like that. But it works really good. Also, you have this little attachment that goes in here, and you can get those like resealable bags, like where you put your clothes and stuff in them. Then it draws the air out of it. So that's what that attachment's for. But I've used this. It seems pretty good. I mean, everything I did. It also comes with a carrying case, a charging cord, like I said, an extra filter. So I hope you enjoy this. I mean, I think it works like it's supposed to. So if you enjoy this type of videos, let me know, and subscribe and share. Appreciate it.